champ, how are you doing? Welcome into another amazing session, champ. And I'm your master teacher, Shivam Gupta. So, champ, I have a very interesting question for you. So, champ, let's say Ronnie's grandmother asked him to paint her old cupboard, right? Now, if Ronnie's want to paint the cupboard, he wants some paint also, right? And that is why the good boy Ronnie went to the market, to the paint shop to buy the paint. But then the shopkeeper asked him a very good question. That how many paints you want, right? How many cans of the paints you want? But now the Ronnie did not have any answer. So champ, now how will he decide that how many paints he wants to buy? And on the basis of which concept he can decide that how many paints he wants to buy in order to paint the old cupboard. So champ, let's find the answer of this question in today's class of surface area and volume, and we are going to discuss about the cube and cuboids. So let us start. So champ, let's first talk about the cuboid. So champ, we know that cuboid is the 6-face geometry, right? So now champ, in the cuboid we have total 6 faces, and each face of the cuboid is nothing but the rectangle, right? So we can see champ over here that each face of the cuboid is a rectangle of different dimension, and we know that how to find the area of the rectangle, simple length into width. So by this we can see the area of these two faces will be L into H. Yes, we can see there will be two faces with the dimension L cross B, and that is why area will be equal to LB, and there will be two faces of dimension B cross H, and hence those two faces will be having the area B into H. So now there are total 6 faces. I want to find the total surface area. So I will add all these area and I will get 2 times LB plus BH plus HL, the surface area of the cuboid. But this is the total surface area, right? Now champ, if from the cuboid, if I exclude the area of the base and the top, so now champ, if I'm not including the area of the top and the bottom face, then in that case the area will be known as the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now if I'm not including the top and the base, then there will be only 4 surfaces. Yes, there will be only 4 faces, and that is why when we will add the area of those 4 faces, I will get the lateral surface area of the cuboid, which is 2H into L plus B. So now champ, if let's say that the cupboard, let's go on the same question again. Let's have the Ronnie now. So now champ, let's say the dimension of the cupboard is length is 1 meter, width is 0.5 meter, and height is 2 meter. So we know that if we are going to paint the cupboard, we are not going to paint the base, right? We will only paint the 4 surfaces and the top one. We are not going to paint the base one. So check, I'm going to paint the 5 faces. So can we find the area of these 5 faces? Yes, it will be what? The lateral surface area plus area of the top surface. The formula will be this, and if I will put all the given value, all the given dimension, I will get the answer. Area will be equal to 6.5 meters square. Now, if for the 1 meter square we need 100 ml of paint, we can find out now that how many paints we want in order to paint 6.5 meters square of area. That's it. That will be 650 ml of paint. Easy peasy? Very good. Now champ, let's talk about the volume of the cuboid. Champ, let's consider a sheet of paper having the length L and weight B. Now, if I will keep adding H number of such kind of paper, so I will get the final shape cuboid. Yes, and each sheet is a rectangle, So area will be L into B. Now how many sheet do we have? We have H sheet. So that means multiply by H and the volume will be L into B into H. I hope it is clear. Very good. So now champ, one question to think about. What if the cuboid has all the sides equal? If length, width and the height of the cuboid is equal, then that will be known as the cube. So champ, in the cube, every faces is not the rectangle, every face will be square. So when we will be finding the total surface area, there will be total 6 faces, as you can see, and every faces is nothing but a square of side A. So when we are finding the total surface area, we will add the area of 6 square face, and that is why TSA of cube is 6A square. And now if we will exclude the top and the base area, then the area of the 4 surfaces will be known as the lateral surface area, which will be 4A square. I hope it is clear. Very good. Now champ, let's see the volume of the cube also. So in this case, let's consider the square plate of the length side A. Now if I will keep adding the A numbers of this kind of plates, so champ, I will get area of one plate is A square, and we have total A numbers of plates. That is why volume of the cube will be area of one plate into number of plate. Answer will be A into A square will be A cube. I hope it is clear. Very good. So now champ, one question to think about, that we know that in the rectangle, in the square, the longest side is the diagonal. But what about the cuboid and cube? What is the longest diagonal? So champ, the longest diagonal is again the diagonal when we will be joining the opposite vertices of the cuboid and cubes. So the formula of the longest diagonal will be under root L square plus B square plus H square, where L, B, H are the dimension of the cuboid. And in the case of the cube, all will be equal. So under root A square plus A square plus A square under root 3A is the length of the longest diagonal in the cube. I hope you are noting down these things. Very good. So now champ, let's see some question also. Look at this one. How many 3 meters cube can be cut from a cuboid measuring this dimension? Very easy champ. What we can do, that we can find the volume of this cube. Guys, simple. Side cube will be 27 meter cube. We can find the volume of the given cuboid also. Yes. So in order to find the number of cubes that can be cut from the cuboid, simple divide the volume of cuboid by the volume of one cube. You will get the number of cubes. Easy peasy. Very good. Look at this one. In this one, each face of cube has perimeter 32 centimeter. Find its total surface area. We know that champ, in the cube, every face is a square of side A. If every face is a square, the perimeter will be 4A, right? So we can write 4A is equal to 32. Side will be equal to 8. I get the side of the cube now. So total surface area will be 6A square. Put the value of A and you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. Very good. So now champ, let's summarize our class. In this class, we have seen about the cuboid and cubes. That in the cuboid, we have total 6 faces and each face is a rectangle. In the cube, we have again 6 faces, but each face is a square. And in the total surface area, we have to include all the 6 faces. In the lateral surface area, we have to exclude the top and the bottom area. I hope this is clear to you. Champ, that's all for this class. Don't forget to practice. Stay tuned and keep smiling. Bye-bye.